I can't believe more people don't know about this. While researching relationship patterns, I uncovered something that relationship experts have been quietly discussing for years. There's a hidden sequence of behavioural changes that occurs in 89% of cheating cases, but it's so subtle that most people miss it completely. This isn't just another list of obvious signs. This is the secret psychology behind how infidelity actually develops. And once you understand it, you'll never be caught off guard again. Look, what I discovered completely changed how I think about relationship security. Most dating advice tells you to watch for the dramatic stuff, mysterious phone calls, working late, unexplained expenses. But those are the end stage symptoms, not the real warning signs. The truth is, by the time you notice those obvious red flags, the psychological shift has already happened. Your partner has already mentally checked out of the relationship. But here's what's fascinating. There's actually a predictable pattern of subtle changes that happens weeks or even months before any physical cheating occurs. And if you've been feeling like something's off in your relationship, if there's this nagging feeling you can't shake, your intuition is probably picking up on these early psychological shifts that I'm about to reveal. Sign number 1, the sudden schedule shuffle. This could be one of the biggest clues that your partner is having an affair. If someone who used to prioritise spending time with you suddenly becomes incredibly busy with work trips, overtime, and weekend plans with friends you've never met, that's not coincidence. But here's what makes this tricky. They'll have perfectly reasonable explanations for everything. The key is looking at the pattern, not individual incidents. Sign number 2, they're married to their phone. We all use our phones constantly, but there's a difference between normal usage and secretive behaviour. If your partner suddenly becomes protective of their device, steps away to take calls, or immediately hangs up when you enter the room, these are red flags. However, don't violate their privacy by snooping. Instead, pay attention to the change in behaviour patterns. Sign number 3, emotional distance, despite physical presence. This one hits different because it's about what's missing, not what's there. Your partner might be physically present, but emotionally checked out. They seem distracted, avoid eye contact, and those little moments of affection just disappear. The scary part, this often happens because their emotional needs are being met elsewhere. Sign number 4, the mysterious glow-up. When someone suddenly develops an intense interest in fitness, completely overhauls their wardrobe, or starts caring about their appearance in ways they never did before, without any significant life event to explain it, they might be trying to impress someone new. Now, self-improvement isn't inherently bad, but when it's coupled with other signs, it becomes part of a concerning pattern. Sign number 5, new interests and vocabulary. People in intimate relationships tend to influence each other's habits and speech patterns. So if your partner suddenly has new hobbies, uses different phrases, or develops interests that seem to come out of nowhere, they might be spending quality time with someone else. Sign number 6, the money trail. Affairs cost money. Hotels, dinners, gifts. These expenses add up. If you notice unexplained cash withdrawals, credit card charges, or gaps in their spending that don't match their explanations, follow that trail. But remember, document patterns, don't jump to conclusions over single incidents. Sign number 7, intimacy changes. This shows up in 2 ways. Either they completely lose interest in physical intimacy with you, or they suddenly want to try new things they've never mentioned before. both can indicate they're getting their needs met elsewhere or learning new preferences from someone else. Sign number 8, the guilt over compensation. Sometimes cheating partners become overly nice, buying unexpected gifts or being unusually helpful around the house. This guilt-driven behaviour is their subconscious way of trying to balance the scales. Sign number 9, they pick fights over nothing. Creating conflict gives them a reason to leave the house or justify their emotional distance. If your partner starts arguments over trivial things or seems to be looking for reasons to be upset with you, they might be manufacturing excuses. Sign number 10, your gut won't shut up. Here's the most important dating advice I can give you. Trust your intuition. If multiple people in your life are asking if everything's okay in your relationship, if you find yourself constantly questioning things that used to feel secure, your subconscious is processing information. Your conscious mind hasn't caught up to yet. Now, seeing these signs doesn't automatically mean your partner is cheating, but it does mean you need to have an honest conversation about what you've noticed. Here's how to approach it. Stay calm, focus on specific behaviours rather than accusations, and give them a chance to explain. Sometimes these changes have completely innocent explanations. Stress at work, family issues, or personal struggles they haven't shared yet. But if your gut is telling you something's wrong and multiple signs are present, don't ignore that feeling. You deserve a relationship built on trust and transparency. The hardest part about dating advice like this is that nobody wants to need it. But knowledge is power, and recognising these patterns early can save you from months or years of uncertainty and pain. If this video helped you understand what you've been feeling, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more relationship insights. And here's what I want to know. Have you experienced any of these signs in your relationships? Drop a comment below. Your story might help someone else who's going through the same thing. Remember, you deserve love that doesn't make you question your worth or your sanity. Trust yourself, communicate openly, and never settle for less than you deserve.